Hey everybody, Jeremy Miner here with North Sound Realty Group and Sterling Johnston Real Estate. And today I'm going to show you how to use my website to search for homes, save your favorites, and ask for tours. So first of all, once you click the link that comes in the email that we'll be sending you, it'll bring up this standard opening welcome page. I'm going to want you to log in so that you can save those searches and save those homes that you really like. Now, you can log in a couple different ways. You can register as you wish, or you can continue with Facebook or continue with Google. I'm going to continue with Facebook today. They're going to ask me for a phone number. If you don't want to give a phone number, just hit no thanks. But I'm going to put mine in because I want full service. Hit enter. That should pull up the landing page again. We're going to go to search because we're going to look for homes and search for homes. That should bring up a filtered page. I've been looking at some stuff already, so I have filters already in place, but we're going to go ahead and change some of them up because today I'm going to look in Lake Stevens. All right, now I'm thinking I don't want to spend more than $1.5 million right now, and I want to see what that'll get me. 4+ bedrooms, 2+ baths. Now you can of course change that. If you only need 3 bedrooms, you can change it to 3+ if you will. Now I only want single family homes. As you can see, we've got 4 different options selected here under home type: land, multifamily, condos, and single family. We're going to deselect land, deselect multifamily, and deselect condos. We do want active properties, not contingent, not pending, active. Now, if you would like to see pending, you can click on pending if you want, but it's not going to do you a lot of good typically. Property facts. We're going to start with at least 2,500 square feet of living space, and I want at least 0.2 acres for the lot size. Now, you can again change those parameters, and when you hit filter, you're going to be given the options that fit that filter. Now, sometimes it's going to come up with no options. If your price is too low or you're looking for too large a house for the area, there's nothing currently listed, you filter and there's no listings, you can go back and actually change your filters to try to broaden the sweep, if you will, of what you're looking for. So let's hit filter and see what comes up. So it's thinking, and boom, we've got 4 nice options. One of them just price reduced. I happen to really like this house, so let's view details on this home. It's a 6-bedroom home, which sounds awesome because I've got 3 kids and a dog, and of course a lovely wife. So this one looks like it's going to be open house on Saturday, June 24th. Great. There's the purchase price. It's a single family home, $1,179,000 for the asking price. Here is the MLS ID, the county it's in, the city of Lake Stevens, the area, the kind of neighborhood, the zip, style is a 2-story home. It was built in 2021. Taxes, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, total square footage of the home, and then the lot size. You're also going to get, when available from the listing, what are the schools, right? Okay, now I like this, so I'm going to want to save this. So let's add a save to it. Click it's saved. Now, let's say I want to go and see it, or I have questions. There's a whole bunch of different options here, but I'm going to request a showing. So we hit request a showing. We just need to select our date and time. Everything else should be set up for you. Or say tonight at 6. Okay, hit request showing button. Now that message will be sent to one of our team, and we will be reaching out to set up your showing time. So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask a question or request a showing, or you can reach out to me via my phone number, which is right here at the top of the screen. I hope all is well, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.